Hey everybody, this is Brandon from ShopperInformer.com, and today I'm going to unbox for you this LaserJet Pro M15A, a great product by Hewlett-Packard. Let's get into it. And this is supposed to be the world's smallest laser printer. Let's see if that holds true. So in the box, we've got our user's manual. They're actually including a CD install disc for what? I don't know. Back in my day! We've got a USB cord here, power cord, and then the printer itself. Now the printer itself has the nice build quality you've come to expect with an HP product. And if you roll it around here, you can see that it does have a pretty small footprint, right? So it's not gonna take up a bunch of space, especially if you're using it on top of a desk or you don't have a dedicated printing area, right? So as you roll it around here, you can kind of see all the bits and pieces to it, right? It's got a good little bit of weight to it, but it's not heavy as well, right? It's right on par with what you would expect for a printer of this size. We got some touch buttons up top, and on the back side we've got our power input and the USB port. Once we get all the tape and bits and pieces removed, this bottom piece opens right here and flops out. So we have bottom feed for the paper. You can use this to adjust, so if you have different widths of paper, and it can handle up to 150 sheets max at a time, and it's gonna come out the top naturally, and then you have this additional slide up here for regular or extra long pieces of paper. Now this is a monochrome printer as well, so that means it only does black and white, no color, which is kind of nice because if you don't need color, then you don't need to spend any additional money on unnecessary print cartridges. You can see right there that it fires off a full sheet pretty quickly, so that's pretty impressive. Very fast, efficient, small footprint. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for a compact printer, this is gonna have you covered with its small footprint. Remember, it is monochrome, it only does black and white, but they do supply you with one cartridge right off the bat. That should be getting you close to right around 500 prints, so says the box. And then once you replace it with another print cartridge, you should be able to get another 1,000 out of that. And then on the tray here, as a quick reminder, you can stack in about 150 sheets of paper before needing to refill it. So that's my opinion for the day. You can find more great reviews on ShopperInformer.com. You can click the link down in the description.